Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the Quarantine Zone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Quarantine Zone on your device, and after you are taken into the homepage, in order to change the in-game language, go ahead and click on Options. From the Options page, make sure that you are inside the gameplay menu, and once you scroll down, underneath Interface, you will see the interface language. You can use the left and right arrows within it in order to cycle between the various different languages that are available. Once you have found your desired language, you can press the escape button, and when you are prompted whether you would like to apply your changes, make sure to confirm. This will now switch your language into your chosen one right away, and you may go back into the same menu by clicking on the second menu from the home page, and from the first tab at the top, scroll down until you reach the second bright menu. Then you can use the first option to cycle through the language with the left and right arrows. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the Quarantine Zone game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.